Welcome back to Tech Tomorrow. In today's episode, we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence and uncovering the top 20 AI tools and platforms that are revolutionizing productivity in 2024. As AI continues to evolve, it's transforming the way we work, live, and interact with technology. From automating mundane tasks to providing deep insights and enhancing creativity, AI is making our lives easier and our work more efficient. In this video, we'll count down the top 20 AI tools and platforms that are not just making waves but are becoming indispensable in our daily routines. These tools are designed to boost productivity, streamline workflows, and unleash new levels of innovation. Let's get started. 20. IBM Watson Studio. IBM Watson Studio is a comprehensive data science platform that allows users to prepare, analyze, and model data. It provides tools for data scientists, application developers, and subject matter experts to collaboratively and easily work with data. Watson Studio integrates with various data sources, offers a suite of data refinement tools, and supports machine learning model deployment. By automating data preparation and model training, Watson Studio significantly reduces the time required for these tasks, making it easier to uncover insights and drive business decisions. With capabilities such as Otter.ai, it helps in automating tedious and repetitive tasks, allowing data professionals to focus on more strategic activities. 19. DataRobot. DataRobot is an automated machine learning platform that enables users to build and deploy AI models quickly. With its user-friendly interface and powerful automation capabilities, DataRobot helps businesses save time and resources while improving the accuracy of their predictive models. The platform automates the entire modeling lifecycle, from data pre-processing and feature engineering to model selection and hyperparameter tuning. This allows data scientists to quickly iterate on models and deploy them in production, accelerating time to value for AI initiatives. DataRobot's interpretability tools also provide transparency into model predictions, ensuring stakeholders can trust and understand AI-driven insights. 18. Hemingway Editor. Hemingway Editor is an AI-powered writing tool designed to make your writing clear and concise. It highlights complex sentences, passive voice, and adverbs, providing suggestions to improve readability. By simplifying the editing process, Hemingway Editor helps writers produce polished, professional content more efficiently. This tool is especially useful for content creators, bloggers, and professionals looking to enhance their writing quality and productivity. 17. Jasper AI. Jasper AI is a generative AI tool that assists with content creation, from blog posts and social media updates to ad copy and product descriptions. By automating the content generation process, Jasper AI allows marketers and writers to focus on strategy and creativity, saving time and effort. The tool uses advanced natural language processing algorithms to generate high-quality content that aligns with the user's tone and style preferences. Jasper AI also offers features like content templates and collaboration tools, making it easier for teams to work together and produce consistent, engaging content. 16. Lumen 5. Lumen 5 is a video creation platform that uses AI to transform text content into engaging videos. Ideal for marketers and content creators, Lumen 5 simplifies the video production process, enabling users to create professional-looking videos quickly and easily. By leveraging AI, Lumen 5 can automatically storyboard and generate video scenes based on the text provided, complete with relevant images, video clips, and music. This makes it an excellent tool for repurposing blog posts, articles, and other written content into dynamic video formats that can capture a wider audience. 15. Crystal Knows. Crystal Knows is an AI-powered personality assessment tool that helps users understand their colleagues' communication styles. By providing insights into how to effectively communicate with different personality types, Crystal Knows improves team collaboration and productivity. The tool analyzes public data and user input to create personality profiles, offering tailored advice on how to approach conversations, negotiations, and collaborations. This can lead to more effective interactions and a more harmonious workplace, as team members can better understand and adapt to each other's preferences and communication styles. 14. Otter.ai. Otter.ai is an AI-powered transcription service that converts spoken language into written text. It's perfect for meetings, interviews, and lectures, allowing users to focus on the conversation while Otter.ai takes care of the note-taking. The tool offers features such as real-time transcription, speaker identification, and searchable transcripts, making it easy to capture and review important information. Otter.ai also integrates with popular collaboration tools like Zoom and Microsoft Teams, enabling seamless transcription of virtual meetings and enhancing productivity for remote teams. 13. Zoom.ai. Zoom.ai is an AI-powered assistant that automates administrative tasks like scheduling meetings, managing calendars, and setting reminders. By handling these routine tasks, Zoom.ai frees up time for professionals to focus on more important work. The assistant can coordinate with multiple calendars, find optimal meeting times, and even handle rescheduling and cancellations. Zoom.ai also offers features like task management and document retrieval, making it a versatile tool for enhancing productivity and organization in the workplace. 12. Salesforce Einstein. Salesforce Einstein is an AI-powered CRM platform that helps businesses automate sales, service, and marketing processes. With features like predictive analytics and personalized recommendations, Salesforce Einstein enables companies to improve customer experiences and drive growth. The platform leverages AI to analyze customer data, identify patterns, and provide actionable insights, allowing businesses to make more informed decisions. Einstein's capabilities extend to various aspects of the CRM, including lead scoring, customer segmentation, and automated workflows, making it a powerful tool for driving business success. 11. X.AI. X.AI is an AI-powered scheduling assistant that simplifies the process of booking meetings. By coordinating with participants and finding the best time slots, X.AI takes the hassle out of scheduling, making it easier for professionals to manage their time. The assistant integrates with popular calendar applications and can handle complex scheduling scenarios, such as coordinating with large groups or across different time zones. X.AI also learns from user preferences, improving its scheduling accuracy and efficiency over time. 10. Hootsuite Insights. Hootsuite Insights is an AI-powered social media analytics tool that helps businesses monitor and analyze their social media performance. By providing real-time insights and trends, Hootsuite Insights enables marketers to make data-driven decisions and improve their social media strategies. The tool offers features such as sentiment analysis, competitive benchmarking, and audience segmentation, helping businesses understand their social media impact and optimize their campaigns. Hootsuite Insights also integrates with various social media platforms, providing a centralized dashboard for managing and analyzing social media activity. 9. Replika. Replika is an AI chatbot designed to provide emotional support and companionship. By engaging in conversations with users, Replika helps reduce stress and improve mental well-being, making it a valuable tool for personal productivity. The chatbot uses advanced natural language processing to understand and respond to user input, creating a realistic and empathetic interaction. Replika also offers features such as mood tracking and journaling, helping users manage their mental health and build healthier habits. 8. TensorFlow. TensorFlow is an open-source machine learning framework developed by Google. It provides a comprehensive set of tools for building and deploying AI models, making it an essential resource for developers and researchers working on AI projects. TensorFlow supports a wide range of tasks, from image and speech recognition to natural language processing and reinforcement learning. The framework's flexibility and scalability make it suitable for projects of all sizes, from small experiments to large-scale production deployments. TensorFlow's extensive documentation and community support also make it a popular choice for AI practitioners. 7. ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI that excels in generating human-like text. From answering questions to writing essays, ChatGPT can assist with a wide range of tasks, making it a versatile tool for enhancing productivity. The model uses deep learning techniques to understand and generate text, enabling it to provide coherent and contextually relevant responses. ChatGPT can be integrated into various applications, such as customer service chatbots, content generation tools, and virtual assistants, making it a valuable asset for businesses and individuals alike. 6. Grammarly Business. Grammarly Business is an enterprise version of the popular writing assistant, designed for teams and organizations. With advanced collaboration features and centralized billing, Grammarly Business helps teams maintain consistent communication standards and improve overall productivity. The tool offers real-time writing suggestions, style guides, and team analytics, making it easy for organizations to ensure their written communication is clear, professional, and on-brand. Grammarly Business integrates with various platforms and tools, providing writing assistance across the entire organization. 5. Monday.com. Monday.com is a work operating system that uses AI to streamline project management and collaboration. With features like automated workflows and real-time updates, Monday.com helps teams stay organized and productive. The platform provides a centralized workspace where team members can manage tasks, track progress, and collaborate on projects. Monday.com's AI capabilities help automate routine tasks, such as task assignments and deadline reminders, allowing teams to focus on more strategic activities. The platform's customizable dashboards and integrations with various tools make it a flexible solution for teams of all sizes. 4. Zoho CRM. Zoho CRM is a customer relationship management platform that uses AI to streamline sales, marketing, and customer support processes. With features like sales automation, customer analytics, and predictive insights, Zoho CRM helps businesses build stronger customer relationships and drive growth. The platform's AI capabilities include lead scoring, sentiment analysis, and automated workflows, enabling businesses to optimize their customer interactions and improve productivity. Zoho CRM's customizable interface and integration with other Zoho applications make it a flexible and comprehensive solution for managing customer relationships. 3. Adobe Sensei. Adobe Sensei is an AI and machine learning platform integrated into Adobe's suite of products, including Photoshop, Illustrator, and Adobe Experience Cloud. Sensei helps automate complex tasks such as image and video editing, content creation, and customer experience management. By leveraging AI, Adobe Sensei enhances productivity and creativity, allowing users to focus on more strategic and creative aspects of their work. The platform's capabilities include content-aware editing, personalized recommendations, and predictive analytics, making it a powerful tool for creative professionals and marketers. 2. Qlik Sense. Qlik Sense is a business intelligence and data visualization tool that leverages AI to provide users with deep insights and interactive dashboards. Qlik Sense's associative engine enables users to explore data from multiple sources, uncovering hidden patterns and relationships. The platform's AI capabilities include augmented analytics, which provides users with automated insights and data-driven recommendations. Qlik Sense helps businesses make informed decisions faster, enhancing productivity and strategic planning. 1. Microsoft Power BI. Microsoft Power BI is a business analytics tool that uses AI to help users visualize and share insights from their data. With its robust features and seamless integration with other Microsoft products, Power BI is the most used AI tool for boosting productivity in 2024. The platform enables users to create interactive dashboards and reports, providing real-time insights into business performance. Power BI's AI capabilities, such as natural language queries and automated insights, help users uncover hidden patterns and trends in their data. The tool's integration with Microsoft Office and other applications makes it a powerful solution for businesses looking to leverage AI for data-driven decision-making. And there you have it. The top 20 AI tools and platforms for productivity in 2024. From automating routine tasks to providing powerful insights, these tools are transforming the way we work and live. Which of these AI tools are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, check out our community, share with someone you know, smash that subscribe button, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest in tech. Thanks for watching Tech Tomorrow, and until next time, stay curious and keep exploring this vast world of Tech Tomorrow.